In tonight's video, I'm going to give us a weekly update on the email marketing platform that I am using since January 1st of 2026. So we are 1 week in, and this email marketing platform continues to show me that it can make consistent sales and it can also bring in leads. So we're going to talk about that. Let's dive on in. All right, so for our first week back using the system called My Lead Gen Secret, we also pair that up with the ClickBank affiliate marketing platform. And when we use I'll show you the products that we're selling here in just a second, but when we use the ClickBank product with My Lead Gen Secret, we tend to get sales consistently once to twice a week. I've got one account right now on My Lead Gen Secret that I'm using with the ClickBank products, and we restarted the system. I'd been on the system for quite a while, but we restarted the system on January 1st, 2026, and by January 2nd, 2026, end of day, I made a $12.51 commission for ClickBank, and then we ran it for another 4 or 5 days, and we made another $12.51 commission. So I have ran it another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days without a sale from ClickBank, and yesterday I missed a day of emailing, and then yesterday I did a different platform just to see what kind of lead generation I would get, and we were pretty happy with that too. That particular system is called Lead Lightning, so it's basically Lead Lightning 2.0, where they've added some AI in. If you've been around Lead Lightning from the past, it's been in business for a good probably 10 years. I don't know for sure the full length of its time online, but it's been around for a good while. So they have revamped it, and they have new systems in place. They have new commissions in place, and they have a lot of new tools in place to help you start to generate leads and ultimately sales for this system. Now, I do need to stress that everything we are telling you tonight does not guarantee any type of income, does not guarantee any kind of leads or traffic coming to you. It's just for educational purposes only. I'm just showing you the strategies and systems I use that work for me. All right. So with Lead Lightning, see if I'm going to do this, and then I'll have to blur out the information, but I'm going to see if I can find my contact list, which is right there, and contact manager, and I'll blur out this information, but you can see here 1/12 of 2026, and then another one 1/12/2026. Those are new leads that are in the system. The last time that I ran any promotions with this system was back in 2024 September, it looks like. So we had some leads back there all the way back to March 1st of 2024. We had some leads come in. All right, so with that, you can now you can see that if you have a business or a platform that you're using that you are struggling to get leads on or sales, then you might want to give My Lead Gen Secret a try. Just a quick run through of how My Lead Gen system works, Secret works. I have on this account 87,900 emails. These are all emails that are tier 1. 98% are all tier 1. I can go into statistics here. I can show you the last email that I sent out yesterday, and all of the American flags. There's a Canada, all the flags coming through here. Here's an other. There is occasionally an other. Here's an other, but 98% of these are going to be tier 1 English-speaking countries. Okay, we'll get out of that. Come back into the mailing system, and I can bring you down and show you can mail out once every 23 hours. I don't have a timer going down here, so that means I am ready to mail out for today. And I'm sorry, this system is going to be a paid system. All right. But we have eliminated the middleman. We've eliminated the need for traffic and eliminated the stress of wondering if you're ever going to get enough leads to make a difference, because we're bringing in 100 leads per day for $1. Okay. So $30 a month is what this program, what this system costs you, but it brings in your leads. It's going to help teach you the consistency that you need for email marketing. It's going to help teach you the patience that you need for email marketing. Just because you have a big list doesn't mean that you're going to get a sale every day. All right. Again, I take you back to no guarantees on sales, no guarantees on leads, no guarantees on anything. This is for educational purposes only. However, if you do start working with this program and stay with it, those leads are going to build up, and it's going to be easier for you to get the occasional sale or the leads coming in. All right. Also, if you do, they do have an affiliate program. Let's see here. So you've got different pages that you can share. Their program makes you $5 a month, 4, 3, 2, 1, down 5 levels if you sell an affiliate program. Basically, I'm always trying to keep 6 paid people in the system, because that way it covers my cost for the month, and this becomes a fully funded platform that I'm using, and it's costing me $0 for all those leads that I'm getting, and I don't have to worry about putting the money out, reinvesting the money every month. Okay. So I at least want to keep 6 people going. So we always make sure that we put the My Legion Secret affiliate links into the PS of any email that we send out, and that is where I make all of my affiliate commissions from. Right now I'm rebuilding because I'd gotten away from this system for a while we were following other projects, working on other projects, came back to it the 1st of January. So now I do have to rebuild my affiliates to start getting some of that money taken care of, some of that investment taken care of. And, we're working on getting that. Just going to take some time to get people back on the program again, which is no problem. And let's see, come back to the mailing system. All you got to do is then select your leads. All you got to do is figure out if you have already had any previous emails, you can pick from those. They're all saved for you, and then all you do is hit load and you're ready to go. Or for myself tonight, I'm going to be sending out another round of the Leads Lightning emails. And once I do that a couple times, we'll have those loaded up and we'll be ready to go. So for right now, I'm going to be copying and pasting. You come down here into the body of your email system and just paste those in, make a few tweaks. You might need to increase the size. You might need to bold up a couple of the hyperlinks that you're going to put in. You might want to bring a personal, and I'll show you on one of mine. For example, make sure I get one that I know's got everything on it. So I'll hit load on that one. If I wanted to use this one, you'll see here we want to make sure your hyperlinks are seen. I don't like to put in any more than 2, possibly 3 hyperlinks, because that can also help throw you into a spam folder or a promotional folder where they may not see your email. It just decreases the chance of them seeing your email. Also, I try to put an image in, let them know who I am, let them know how they can find me so I can personalize it a little bit. These are super cold leads. They don't know me. They don't know why I'm emailing them. So I want to try to start nurturing a little bit of a relationship there. You can also hit the perfect timing down here. So tonight, it's going to be late before I mail this, before I get this mailed. It's after 8 o'clock right now. And the perfect timing will hold those emails until, depending on where they're going, what part of the world or part of the United States that they might be going to, so that they go out at a time where these people should be online looking at their emails. Okay, it's going to help you out quite a bit with that. And then I would just hit send email, and away we would go. All right. So tonight's video, we talked about the email platform. If you're an affiliate marketing, email is the system that you need to be working on. Anything that you do out there online, go ahead and make it big. Anything that you do out there online, you need to make sure that you are gathering emails. And as we know, affiliate marketing can be rough for getting traffic. It can be rough for getting those emails. So this system gives you the emails. Yes, you are paying for it, but if you sell enough affiliate sponsorships, sorry if you can hear the dog in the background, enough affiliate sponsorships with it, then you can get your leads for free. And then it's just a matter of consistently mailing out and building up a relationship, or making sure you've got good quality emails and good quality offers going out to these emails so that they can look at it and make a reasonable choice, a good choice of either, telling you no by not doing anything, or going ahead and making that purchase. So if you'd like to check out anything else or anything that's involved with these, I will have links down in the description area. If this type of product, maybe smaller commissions, taking time to build an email list, those kind of things are not quite what you're looking for, maybe you're looking for a higher ticket program, then I would definitely take a look at the Lead Lightning program. That link will be in the description area as well, or possibly on the first comment. And because you can get into commissions totaling up to like $1,500. So that possibility is there for you. And if you would like to learn how to do videos like we're doing tonight, then go ahead and get into the comments and put in video training, and I will send you my free 4-step video blueprint so that you have that available for information as well, to start to build a YouTube channel and to help bring in more organic leads with your videos. Organic off of YouTube, they're free. They don't cost you anything. It's just a matter of time of putting the videos together and being consistent with that as well. So don't let all this overwhelm you. Simple step by step. My lead gen secret: email out the program that you want to email out, or the product promotion that you want to email out. Learn how to do some lead generation with my lead gen secret, and learn how to do some lead generation with YouTube. A couple of things and you're good to go. So until the next video, we will see you on the other side. Take care.